Good morning, folks. It's Monday the let me see, 16th of June, and the Bedford CF Auto-sleeper 1986, otherwise known as Chugga Bug, is getting a bit of love. He's got an MOT coming up on Wednesday afternoon, and I decided to tackle the front bumper, which, as you'll see, has got quite a bit of heavy corrosion. I can't get a replacement one, and anyway, I know I can make it as strong, if not quite as pretty as it was. Came off no bother, I have to say, because I probably undid it a slightly unconventional way. But everything behind it is rock solid, so very happy about that. We're taking it outside because I'm going to be grinding this and creating a lot of rusty dust, which is not nice in the workshop. So as you can see, I took it off there. I think you can actually take it off slightly easier here, leaving these brackets behind, but on these Torx bolts. So yeah, it's been a powder coated item, and quite honestly, as soon as water gets under that stuff, it I don't know, it rusts. It seems to rust way worse than a proper paint system. I think it seems to be sprayed onto bare metal with no evidence of primer. I really do not like powder coating. But I suppose in its defense, it's almost 40 years old. So it's a bit lacy in places, but like the curate's egg, it was good in parts. So the plan is to weld on from behind and then tidy up the front and give it a paint, fit a nice new number plate which will draw the eye. A bit of heat was required for these captive nuts, but the bolts came out okay and they'll be replaced. Good old oxyacetylene, yeah, the hot spanner as it were. Everything surrenders to that unless it's a really serious case. So that's the job today. Cleaned up the back, ready to spot weld on extensively. Got sheet steel here. These are fairly light gauge, and then spot another layer on top. Paper templates, old cornflakes, Rice Krispies. So yep, that's the next stage. Right, this is now the following day. It's all been welded, fillers smoothed out, painted, refitted, all looking good. Nice new number plate to go on next. Tidies the front up.